catch some lobsters. Where we can do that?
I can help you with that. Yeah.
Really?
Definitely.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's
You are a captain?
I'm Captain John.
Oh, awesome!
Yeah, Rusty
肯定
Trap
神都去做
Chat.
龙虾，清好嘞。
Let's follow the captain to catch some lobsters.
Yep, let's head down to the boat.
A little windy out today.
肯定神都做龙虾哦。
真的 ，Let's follow the captain to catch some lobsters. 哦，我好希望我们等一下大丰收哎。
听神中哦，就会做龙虾。OK。
哦 Let's follow the captain to catch some lobsters. 我们做得到吗？
做龙虾啊！
好紧张！哎
Got one.
哦哦 That's awesome! 哇 That's big! 哇 That's quite big! 抓到了
做
耶！
龙虾啦！
Yeah.
哦，It's big！
Nice lobsters. Watch your fingers.
Watch your fingers! 哇，它有好大的螯
哎呀，
哦！
这孙筒胎呢，它蛮大的哦。
这个 captain 好厉害哦！妈妈
哦
抓到了
，You're so good。
Oh, I do my best.
！Let's follow the captain to catch the lobsters， 真的很棒哎！
听神中哦，就会做龙虾。OK， 你看，马上就抓到。
对呀、而且我们等一下就要 steam 给他们蒸一蒸新鲜的龙虾。
棒！
我先抓。
你不要走，我 follow you 啊！Come on，come on。哇，田镇神中做龙虾大丰收啊！
真的 ，Let's follow the captain to catch the lobsters。但是真的超乎我的想象，这么多的龙
真的
虾
是，而且好香，那个新鲜煮起来的味道整个扑鼻而来啊！
真的，Captain，can we eat the lobster？
They're all for you.
哇！
Pick which one you'd like. Good. Yep, so
经过我们这样的测试，而且经过了 Captain 这样教我们，明天我相信我们的客人一定都非常非常的幸运，可以吃到最新鲜的 lobster。
不过我是觉得这样吃起来还是不够，可能要多吃几只，我才能够试验到更好的品质。
你贪吃鬼啊你！
有这么明显被发现吗？
对呀、赶快想想明天要怎么做啦。
哦，好，我边吃边想啊。
好啦好啦
听神中哦，就会做龙虾，这次一定会大丰收啦。
，Let's follow the captain to catch some lobsters。我觉得下一顿一定很令人期待。